Multiverse hypothesis. Some theoretical physicists propose the idea of a multiverse, where our universe is just one of many universes that exist in a multiverse. Each universe may have different physical laws and constants. Picture our universe, grand and vast, filled with countless galaxies. Now imagine it's just one among infinite others. Welcome to the Multiverse Hypothesis. This concept, proposed by theoretical physicists, challenges our understanding of existence. It suggests that our universe is merely a single entity within an enormous multiverse. In this multiverse, each universe could be governed by unique physical laws and constants, making them vastly different from ours. This hypothesis expands the boundaries of our perception, pushing us to rethink the nature of reality. Embrace the infinite possibilities. The Multiverse Hypothesis, redefining our cosmic perspective.